good evening to you once again. Well, these are the guys who you've been waiting for through the day today. No, they can't be everywhere, but it would be nice if they hadn't broken down outside Brian Edwards' house in Standish. If that makes your blood boil, maybe this will calm you down. Let me move out of the way and show you Jessie, the Bernese mountain dog, on the Isle of Man, having a good old wiggle in the snow and thoroughly enjoying herself. Karen Bonnell decided to do what many of you did, to take a day off and enjoy it. And I know we've got some more of your pictures coming up very soon, but this is my favourite of the day. Look what Connor and Luke made. A snow Dalek. That is great. I don't even know how you managed to get to do that. But keep your pictures coming in, nwt@bbc.co.uk. Watch the timeline. From midnight, the snow was piling in. In fact, in Greater Manchester, it started around 9 o'clock last night, and it snowed on and off across the northwest of England virtually for the whole of the day. Managed to clear parts of Cumbria and Lancashire by around 2, 3 o'clock. But look at it. This is our latest picture. The 6 o'clock picture shows there is still some snow around, and that will very, very slowly move through the region as you head through the next couple of hours. So watch it tailing out. I think by the time you get to 10 o'clock, it should be just a distant memory, but what is left behind is our huge problem through the night tonight. If you watch the map, you can see how the brighter area comes in. That's because the cloud cover is starting to thin and break, and with clearer conditions coming in, it is the big freeze. That's our huge problem through the night. Just about everywhere sees temperatures between -2 and -6. So anything that's on the ground, now anything that you found quite comfortable to walk in today, that powdery snow, which was quite deep and reasonably easy for you to get around in, I say reasonably easy, that will freeze hard on the ground. Anything that's been driven over, which was compacted, that will freeze hard on the ground. So our huge problem tomorrow morning, the Met Office are already warning of, is ice. And tomorrow morning's rush hour could be just as difficult as this morning's, but for entirely different reasons. Awful lot of cloud cover as well when you first get up, but it will thin and break through the morning. And look at the difference. The winter sunshine will try and work its way through, but it's really hampered tomorrow. Even though for many of us you'll see wall-to-wall sunshine, we've got a strong driving northerly wind, and that is really going to knock the edge off your temperatures. So there will not be a thaw tomorrow, and for the foreseeable future in our forecast, there is no thaw in sight. So that northerly breeze dragging in that cold air, everything freezing rock hard on the ground. Temperatures between -1 and +2, but with that wind chill, it will feel like -4 to -6. Now, Eno is going to take over. She'll be back for the late bulletin tonight. She'll give you all the details for the forecast. But if you can't wait, your BBC local radio station is absolutely the place to be. They're going to be in charge all the way through the night, and I'll be back with their weather service at breakfast.